You ready? Let's do it. One stormy night, I was sitting all alone, when through my fright I heard a scary tone. It went I said to myself, what an awful sound. I looked on my shelf. You'll never guess what I found. It was a I screamed frantically. Ah! What are you doing in my pantry? We're going to eat you! Oh man, I don't want to be eaten! I ran down the stairs, only to be stopped by my favorite chairs. I woke up with a fright. Oh dearie, what a night! I got up from my bed. Oh man, that hurt my head. I reached for the door and I turned the knob, but there in front of my eyes was a sight to see. It was a